Also, it basically came from my experiences of visiting a few courtrooms from India while I was a journalist in Delhi. And it is fundamentally come from those experiences.
अगर आप कॉमेडी कह रहे हैं कि हमने मस्ती की है, कॉमेडी की, वो नहीं है. ये कहीं पे इसका जो ह्यूमर है वो थोड़ा सटैरिकल है, इंटेलिजेंट है. No, I do not send messages to anybody, not even to my wife. So I don't. I just do my work. I'm an extremely lazy actor. I get very few films to do. I choose very few films to do. I do few, and I sit at home, play with my babies, cook food, and clean the house.
Well, I would like to explore other genres also. But, accidentally with First Gear Obama, I kind of discovered a satirical, funny, comical, humoristic way of telling a story. So, and I'm very comfortable in that zone. So Jolly is in that zone by and large. Long back, accidentally, I had the opportunity to meet Shah Rukh Khan. And I did share the script with him, and he had few good things to say about it. But, we couldn't take it forward, and I just shared the script. He said it's a great script. And I waited for, a few months and to see if it can materialize with him. And then I realized that it will not. And then Arshad was my choice. Actually, before I met Shah Rukh, Arshad was in my mind. And I was chasing Arshad's secretary, Bhola Malviya, that please मेरी meeting करवा दो, लेकिन भोला जी ने meeting ही नहीं करवाई मेरी. And when
मैं दिन में सुबह उठते वक्त कम से कम 8 बार गालियाँ देता हूँ. दिन भर इस तरह की लैंग्वेज तो खैर मैं इस्तेमाल नहीं करता. बट कई बार क्या होता है कि जब आप एक किरदार निभाते हो, और हमने तो फिर भी बहुत टोन डाउन किया है. बट अगर आप लोग जानते ही होंगे, आप अगर मीरठ उरठ चले जाएँ, इस तरह के इलाकों में चले जाएँ, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वहाँ की ज़बान कितनी रंगीली होती है.
Accidentally with First Gear Obama, I stumbled upon this way of telling a story with humor, and I could say whatever I wanted to say. I wanted to make fun of America. I wanted to say something to George Bush for bombing Iraq. I was very angry as a human being. So, and I devised a way, and I thought it is fantastic to say whatever you have to say, and yet not say it with seriousness and make it little boring for people, etc. So similarly with Jolly LLB also. When I went to courts and I realized that, look, this is the place. What happens in India? If you and me have an issue, then we say, okay, I'll see you in court. Court mein milte hain. That my faith is there on this courtroom and this judiciary as a tool, as an institution. I have a great amount of faith. But when we go to courts, there are about 3.5 crore cases pending in our courts in India. There are people in jail for 15 years and their hearing has not yet started. I met a guy in Delhi, Tiswari court in Delhi, whose family for his property has declared him dead on papers, and he's been fighting a case for 6 years to prove that he's not dead, he's alive. Now, how do you deal a situation like that? To me, that's funny. To me, that's ironical. So I sort of try to deal it with certain amount of humor and satire. And I don't think that the message or whatever I'm trying to say gets diluted in that.
मैं खाली कोशिश करता हूँ कम से कम कॉमेडी ही हो, तो लेकिन थोड़ी सी अलग तो हो, कुछ मज़ा तो आए उसमें. जॉली एलबी में वो ख़ास बात है, थोड़ी सी अलग है. एक अजीब सा ह्यूमर है, एक बहुत ही रियलिस्टिक ह्यूमर है. मतलब किसी की ज़िंदगी बिखर रही है और आपको बड़ा मज़ा आएगा, तो उस तरह की कुछ बातें हैं. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं चुनता हूँ कि बस सिर्फ कॉमेडी करूँ.
See, I am a big believer that films are actually meant for entertainment. Genuinely, we are not actually making films to change people's lives. But in the process, if there is some awareness, it'll be fantastic. Audiences should know the goings on in a court. It doesn't mean that tomorrow the judicial system will change. But also remember that audience members are people who are part of the judicial system. I know for a fact that even after a film like Munna Bhai MBBS, and I don't want to talk about Munna Bhai MBBS here, but I'm compelled to, is that a lot of people and a lot of doctors come to me today and tell me that they have changed their approach to their craft and to their subject. They have. But it's not meant to be a life-changing exercise. If it does and people do change, it is fantastic. we should actually exercise our right as people, as a united people, as a democracy, for the people, by the people, with the people. You see, if we can do that in real life, it is fantastic. The films are just there to give you eventually awareness and hope. And I do believe that a film that Subhash ji has made will make a great amount of awareness and give us a great amount of hope. And that's the actual reason why we watch films.
To be very honest, I went to a Hindi medium school. I studied Hindi newspaper till I was in class 12. When I went to college, I had a group of people and they would ask, hey, what's your sun sign? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion. And for the first few months in college, I thought these were all diseases. And I'm not joking, I thought ये सब बीमारियां हैं. Because हमको तो वृश्चिक, कन्या, मिथुन, हिंदी में जो राशियों के नाम होते हैं पता था, हमको अंग्रेजी नहीं आती थी. हमारे एक स्कूल में एक टीचर हुआ करते थे, वो अजीब सी इंग्लिश बोलते थे, है ना? लेट कमिंग, पनिश, स्टूपिड. तो हमको लगता था यार ये क्या है? अच्छा, अब वो मतलब अंधों में काने राजे थे, हमको तो बिल्कुल नहीं आती थी. मैं एक छोटा सा और एग्जाम्पल दूँ आपको. मैं आई रिमेंबर आई वाज इन क्लास 6th. हमारी क्लास में एक लेसन था, द पोस्टमैन. मेरी पूरी क्लास एक के बाद एक खड़े होकर हमारे टीचर खड़ा करते थे उनको, वो पढ़ते थे. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द लेसन, द पोस्टमैन इज ए बुसी मैन. I was the only one who would read it, the postman is a busy man. So, those things remained in my head when I grew up, and I realized that these are funny situations. So, so a bit of me, a bit of my teacher in that English teacher scene.